Hi loves, welcome back to the Good Food Baddie channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make vegan barbecue pulled jackfruit tacos. Let's get started. So first you want to make sure that you thoroughly rinse and clean your jackfruit. We're using unripe green jackfruit. And this is what it should look like. And now we're going to slice the jackfruit. You can slice right through the core because once we cook it, it'll get nice and tender. You want to make small slices. You can also use your fingers if you'd like, but I find it easiest just to use a knife and slice it. Now I'm going to pour all of this into a large bowl, and you can rinse one more time if you'd like. And I'm going to season the jackfruit. I'm going to start with a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of chili powder, some oregano, some red crushed peppers, and then some salt and pepper. And now I'm using this Flex Eats sweet and savory sauce. It's a really good vegan sauce and it's perfect for these pulled barbecue tacos. So now I'm going to pour about 2/3 of a cup of this vegan sweet and savory sauce. And then I'm going to mix all of the ingredients together and make sure to mix really well so all the jackfruit is thoroughly soaked in all the flavors. Alright, now the jackfruit is ready to be cooked. I'm going to start by putting about a tablespoon of oil into a pan, and then I'm going to add some red onions and some garlic. And now I'm going to saute this for about a minute or two, just until it's nice and golden brown. And then I'm going to add all the delicious jackfruit. Now here's the secret to getting nice, tender jackfruit. I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of vegetable broth to the pan, and then I'm going to stir all of this together. And then I'm going to cover the pan for 5 minutes to allow the vegetable broth to be soaked into the jackfruit and tenderize the jackfruit. And then after that 5 minutes, you're going to turn up the heat to a medium-high heat, and then you're going to slightly brown the jackfruit. This will help to seal in the flavors and make sure it's nice and golden on the outside. And that's it. In less than 15 minutes, now you have this delicious jackfruit. And I'm going to add some limes and some cilantro to my vegan barbecue pulled jackfruit. And now I'm going to start to prepare my tacos. Here I have some tortillas that I prepared on the stove to get that nice charred edge. And I'm going to add some of the pulled jackfruit to the tacos. And now I'm going to add some mango salsa. I have a video for this delicious savory mango salsa. It's linked below. It goes perfect with all types of tacos. And now I'm adding jalapenos, adding some cilantro. And these tacos are done and ready to enjoy. I hope you like this video. I post videos every week, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you next time.